Okay, today we have a word problem that we're going to figure out. And to figure out a word problem, the first thing you have to do is read it. Okay, so Lacey has $205. She went to get her nails done and spent $79. How much money does she have left? So you start out with Lacey has $205. And just to make sure to circle the important information, she went to get her nails done and she spent $79. How much money does Lacey have left? So left is the key question. So left means subtraction because you want to know what she has left. So it means subtraction. Okay, so what we're going to do is go ahead and just write that down and go from there. So it starts with 205. Okay, so you know she has $205. Okay, so then it says she spent 79. Okay, now 5 subtracted by 9 doesn't work. So we have to regroup. And so regrouping things, taking some from the ones or taking some from the hundreds since there's none in the ones. So what you want to do is, since you can't regroup from the 0, you want to regroup from the hundreds. So take 100 away. That leaves with 1. And so that 100 transfers over here, which gives you 10. So then from that 10, you break those down to 9, and it gives you the 1 over here and gives you 15 ones. So 9 into 15, or 15 minus 9 is 6. 9 minus 7 is 2. And since there's nothing there, you can put a 0 because blank space means 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1. So Lacey would have $126 left. Okay, now another way we could do that is to do it in base blocks. So this is the hundreds, tens, and ones. So first you'd start out with 205. So how many ones is in 205? Would be 5. Then tens is 0, and 2 would be in the hundreds. Okay, so in base blocks that would be 2 flats, 0 longs, and 5 ones. Okay, so now like this question, the 9 did not go into the 5, so it had to regroup from the ones. There was no 1, so then it took it from the 2s and regrouped it again. So it's the same thing in a box. So you'll take the flat, take that away, and that turns into 10 longs. 10 longs equals a flat. 10 ones equals a long. Okay. So I'm still trying to take 9 ones away because she spent $79. Okay, so the same way we regrouped from the hundreds, now we'll regroup from the tens. So we'll take 1 long away, and 1 long is 10 ones. Okay, so the problem is she spent $79. So 79, so that's 9 ones out of the 1 spot. So we take 9 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then you circle what's left. That is 6 ones. Okay, so in the tens it said to take 7 ones. So then you can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 away, and it leaves you with 2. And then you have 1 flat. So you write that back down. 1 hundreds, 2 tens, 5 ones. So since it's a word problem, you can write it back out into word fashion as the answer, and it would be Lacey has $126 left.